Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the incredibly useful world of Trello notifications. Let's go. First up, log into your Trello account and select the board that has the cards you're interested in. This first step is important because Trello's notifications are card and board specific, meaning you can't manage notifications for the entire Trello, only for specific boards and cards within those boards. Now that we've done that, find the card you wish to manage notifications for and click on it to open. The reason we do this is because Trello gives you the opportunity to manage notifications on a card-by-card basis, allowing for highly customized notification settings. Once you've got your card open, look for the Subscribe button in the right-hand menu. If you're not already subscribed, click Subscribe. This helps us because subscribing to a card means you'll start receiving notifications when there's activity on that card. Next up, time to fine-tune your notifications. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, click on Notifications. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello is taking you to a screen where you can adjust the frequency of your notifications, whether it's instantly, periodically, or never. Let me explain why this matters. Adjusting these settings allows you to choose how often you're updated about changes to your card, making it easier to stay on top of tasks without being overwhelmed by constant updates. Lastly, make sure to save your changes. Click the Save Settings button at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial as it ensures your new settings take effect. And there you have it, a concise guide to managing notifications for your Trello cards. Remember, keeping on top of your notifications can be the difference between well-managed projects and chaos. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.